Okay, ready? Um, I might do a couple of the odds, and again, this is what we've been doing in 1.6. Not much different. Uh, just be careful. Make sure you use the correct units. Number one, let's see. What can I cancel out? Hours. So I'm going to have for my labels dollars and then day. Good. What about my numbers? I've already have one unit in the denominator, right? So I already have my unit rate. Plus, I have to do, there's no canceling out to do. All I have to do is take 6.75 and multiply by 8. I think I can get it in my head. You are really respectful of me. Is it 48 plus a couple of bucks? Did you do it? Yeah, $54. Oh, good math. Wow, highly impressed. If I have a whole number multiplied by a fraction, how do I change that to a fraction? That's right, put it over 1. Then you can solve it. How about part B? Here's part B. 1 through 4 is part A. Part B is 5 through 12. Now, this stuff we've been doing, so you should be pretty good with that. Let's try number 9. Okay, what about my labels? What can I cancel? Hour. Anything else? And miles. Very good. So I'm going to be left with feet on top and seconds on the bottom. Now, you could do this a couple of different ways. We can cancel out factors first, which I've been trying to get you guys into the habit of doing. Uh, but these are getting pretty big numbers. I would suggest you. I would suggest using your calculator. All right, let's do the numerator. But please keep your numerators and denominators separate. Okay. So I'm going to take 45 times 5280. It's a big number. 237,600. So 237,600 and over 3,600. Then I already got the 237,600 typed in there. Then I would take that, divide it by the 3,600, and enter, and I get a whole number 66. So this becomes 66 feet, and it was a whole number, so I'm going to put it over 1. When you get into big numbers like that, it's almost easier to multiply it out than simplify it, rather than trying to cancel out factors. Now, if you can cancel out factors, by all means, a lot of these problems are probably set up where you wouldn't get a decimal. I would probably take, 3,600, see if 45 was a factor, if you want to go that route. Does it? Yeah, I would definitely. And if you get a suppose I got a decimal here. Say I got 66.7. Everybody knows how to turn that back into a fraction? Hypothetically, if I got like 66.7. Okay, I'll turn it back into a fraction, just hit your math, enter button. Okay. And then I would just write that as my reduced fraction. Grandes? You guys look confused. Said a yes? No? I got it, Mr. D? Thumbs up? Have no clue what you're doing? All right, let me do another one. Which one? Okay, okay, what can I cancel out for my label? Hours. Anything else? Weeks. I'm gonna be left with dollar sign, dollars, and here. Okay, I don't have anything to factor out because everything's going to be over one. So this is going to be a unit rate per year. Let's see, 7 times, uh, 4 times 52 be 8, 208 be 2080. It'd be 0. Not enough. 2080 times 7. Yep. Okay. So if you made $7 an hour, that's how much you make a year. Wow, that's almost as high as a teacher's pay. Uh, let's do number 11. Gonna do some converting. Okay, this is where you guys have to find the fraction. Remember? Remember? Yeah, we've got 70 miles per hour. If you want to put a 1 there, that's fine. I'm going to multiply by that something to get feet per second. So here's my fraction. So I have to change miles to feet. So I'm going to have, wow, I might have to have 2 fractions. Yes, I am. Oh, tricky one. They can give myself enough space. I never. I just didn't get myself. Okay, so I'm going to change hours. I'm going to start with hours. So I'm going to need to get rid of hours, so they cancel. And I need seconds. See how my hours are going to cancel? And I'm going to end up with seconds. How many hours and how many seconds? 1 hour. How many seconds in an hour? 60. Only want to multiply it by a unit of 1. 1 hour over 60 seconds is the same as multiplying by 1. Well, let's look at the. Oh, 1 minute. I'm sorry. 1 hour is 360 seconds. I'm sorry. My fault, Big Shot. Okay. Now we got to change miles to feet. So I'm going to have to get rid of the miles. So miles is going to go down here. And I want feet up here. So how many feet in 1 mile? Is it 3,600? 5,280 feet in 1 mile. This one would be a good one to put in the calculator and let it simplify. Again, be careful. Your numerator separate from the denominator. See, 70 times 5,280, 369, 600. And then 3,600. Already got it in the calculator, the numerator. So all I'm going to do is divide by 3,600. And this time I do get, if it doesn't specifically say, leave it in fractional form, do decimal form. Algebra 1 is okay to do that. I would prefer fraction. Just hit your math, enter button, 308. You prefer decimal and but math teachers like you need to care for algebra 2. Fraction. Questions, comments, concerns? Are you completely lost? Are you good? I should give you each like a green and red and yellow. So because I can tell exactly, you can exactly what this concept. Questions, comments? You could also put in Google Classroom if you don't want to raise your hand or talk in class. Type it out, comment during class. Let's do another conversion since I've kind of 14. Say I'm going to convert 420 miles over 1 day, and I need to convert that to miles per week. Actually, this one's not bad because I already have miles. So it only looks like one fraction. Again, I don't have to worry about the numerator. I'm going to go from days to week. Here's that Beatles song again. I'm going to put days in the top, weeks in the bottom because I want my days to cancel. How many days in a week? see, I've got my unit rate already. 7 times 420. I think I should be able to. 2940 miles in a week. Driving. Plus. Unit rates. Again, all you have to do is divide that out. 250 barrels for every 35 days. Divide it out for unit rates. This one you're better off to leave as a decimal. 7.14 barrels per day. Because if you, yeah, it wouldn't be wrong to put it in as 50 over 7. Unit rates, we usually like to have in the denominator. Sure you can. See if you guys can remember how to do this, because I think I'm going to put a previous section on questions, comments, concerns. You have 25 minutes. Should get a significant part of this done. If not again, if you get the whole thing done, time it in. If you have questions, raise your hand. I'm more than happy to come around, help you out. Chambers do the same.